Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new, then hi, my name is Payal and consider joining my family by hitting that subscribe button. It just take a second and that too it's free. So do join my family. Now coming towards this video, in this video I'm going to share one of my favorite matte lipstick which is from the brand PAC. But before starting it, if in case you people are wondering, Payal, Mumbai mein itni garmi and why are you wearing this like winter vibe? Why are you giving me? That's because I blame YouTube, because the moment you open YouTube, so many videos on fall makeup, fall winter, brown makeup, orange makeup, and that is the reason. So I'm blaming YouTube for that. And in case you like this look, then do let me know. I would love to shoot a tutorial. Now coming back to the video, now let's just not get off track. Let's stick to the video, because I know when it comes to talking, I can talk and talk. Now what I'll be doing in this video is that I'll be talking about the packaging. Basically, I'll be reviewing the product and then showing you the swatches. I own 13 shades. They have more, but these are the ones which I loved and I really wanted to make a video about this, because these are the lipsticks which I wear almost every single day in my office. So yeah, what are we waiting for? Let's start with the review. So if you see the packaging has revamped like once upon a time when I bought this lipstick. My very first lipstick was this. The packaging was something like this. Now they have revamped into this. So in case you order it on online, or if you visit their store and you get this packaging, don't worry, that's an authentic product. They have just revamped it. So now the packaging looks like this. I was fine with both of them. I like this one more because the color was more visible. My personal take on that. However, I'm fine with the black cap, which I absolutely love it. Now the tubes are plastic tubes and they are very sleek, so you can keep it into your purse, but I like to keep it in my jeans pocket. So once I'm done with my meal, and due to that oiliness in the meal, the lipsticks get a little bit disturbed, so I like to reapply it. So that's my trick. Yeah. Now as you open it, you can see the applicator is quite stiff. That means you don't need a lip liner. However, I love to use a lip liner because it defines your lip a lot. But in case you're not a lip liner person, don't worry. It actually, the applicator is so sturdy and such shape that it will give you a nice application, and at the same time will maintain the lip shape. Yeah, I was just searching for the word. And that's it. I guess I didn't share the price. The price of this one is 550 rupees for 6.5 ml. Now these lipsticks last forever on your lips. That means you need a very little amount, and like you have to reapply it very little. And this lipstick will last forever in your bag. So I absolutely love them. Now talking about my experience with this, these, as it states that it is a retro matte gloss. So when I went in the pack to get this, I was like, it's a gloss, and then I got to know, no, it's not a gloss. It's basically a liquid matte lipstick. And I'm a fan of a liquid matte lipstick because I'm a person who does not like to apply lipstick again and again, and especially when you're working. So I always opt for a liquid matte lipsticks, and I keep on searching. One more apart from PAC brand, like, which I love, is Sephora, and I've already reviewed it, so I'll just put it over here. You can click and watch that. Now let's just talk about the consistency. Few of them are quite liquid in terms of consistency. However, few of them are quite creamy. I'm more comfortable with cream texture compared to liquid. However, both of them dries matte. Few shades actually becomes powdery after a meal, which is something what I don't like. So I like to clean it up and reapply the lipstick. They are non-transperf proof, which I absolutely love. Like, I'll just show you. There's nothing. I know my henna is still there. Yeah, because I kept Karwa Chauth. Yeah, that was my first Karwa Chauth, and the experience was, I'm going off track. Okay, forget it. Now coming back to this. Yeah, so these are non-transferable, and they last forever. The colors are so beautiful, Indian skin tone, and they are quite comfortable compared to other matte lipsticks which are available in India, and they are a little expensive. So in case, like, I would say you guys that in case you people are planning to buy them, please go ahead and buy, because these are amazing. They are so comfortable, so affordable, last forever, and I absolutely love the packaging and everything. Now one more thing, like, I would like to share, it's my personal take that in terms of packaging, I'll just show it to you guys that the caps comes off, like it breaks and it comes off. So which is a little bit like for me, then you have to use a Fevikwik and all to fix it up, which is, yeah. And one more thing I would like to inform you, that in case you people are owning this lipstick or planning to buy, whenever you are closing it back, just make sure that it's quite tight, since it's a liquid matte lipstick. Air should not get inside, else your lipstick will be ruined. Yeah, that's it. Now we'll start with the swatches. I hope you enjoyed the swatches. Now talking about, like, before signing up, I'll just like to share which are my top 4 favorite shades. Then this one is 02, which is a pink color. 07, that is teddy bear, and this is a nude color, brown nude color. 11, Soza, this is my everyday favorite color. And 35, it's a poppy pink. These are my favorite. Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite among the swatches I have shared. And do follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. All the links are there in the description box. At the last, I'll say take care and stay pretty. In case you have any recommendation for liquid lipstick which you would like me to review, then please let me know in the comment section.